Let us see about the cytoskeleton. What does cytoskeleton mean? The word cyto means cell and skeleton means it is the framework, structural framework. So cytoskeleton is the one which is going to deal with the framework of the cell. Three elements make up the cytoskeleton. They are the microfilaments, which are otherwise called as the actin filaments, the microtubules, and then the intermediate filaments. As the name implies, the intermediate filaments are intermediate between the microfilament and the microtubules in their size. What is the function of the cytoskeleton? The cytoskeleton is the one which is involved in cell morphology. Okay, it is the one which maintains the shape of the cell, and it is the one which is involved in intracellular transport. Okay, and the cytoskeleton is going to help in transmitting the signals in cell adhesions and contact. And cytoskeleton is the one which is going to support the cell junctions, and cytoskeleton is the one which is involved with cell motility. So I repeat, it is cytoskeleton maintains cell morphology, involved in intracellular transport, it is involved with transmitting signals of cell adhesion and contact, supports cell junction, and involves with motility. First, let us see about microfilaments. As the name implies, they are the smallest of all the three elements of cytoskeleton, and their size measures 6 to 8 nanometer in diameter. They are otherwise called as actin filaments. So that means they are made up of G-actin monomers. These monomers, they polymerize and form long chains which are called as F-actin polymers. Two such F-actin polymers, they coil around each other and they form the microfilaments. The microfilaments have two ends, the pointed end and the barbed end. The pointed end are the minus end and the barbed end are the plus end. What does the term plus means? It means that they have attachment site for the myosin component. Okay, and based on the protein which is going to get attached with the microfilaments can either increase in size, that is polymerize, or reduce in size, that is depolymerize, or they can cleave. What are the functions of the microfilament? The main function of the microfilament is their involvement with cell shape. Okay, they are called as the intracellular muscle. It is the muscular component for the cell, that is they are the one which help in motility of the cell and also the contractility of the cell. And microfilament also form the core for microvilli, the filopodia and the lamellipodia. The microtubules, they measure around 25 nanometer in diameter. As the name implies, they are made up of alpha or beta tubulin proteins. Okay, these alpha and beta tubulin proteins form the heterodimers. Okay, and the dimers, they align themselves linearly and form the protofilament structure. This is the protofilament. Okay, 13 of the protofilaments, they form the microtubule. As the name implies, these are tubular cylindrical structures. Okay, hollow tubular cylindrical structures. And what else we need to know about the microfilament is that, like the microtubule is that, like the microfilaments, the microtubules also have a plus end and the minus end. Okay, and all the minus end, okay, they arise from the centrosome. So the centrosome is called as the this is microtubules organizing center. Okay, MTOC, organizing center. And for this, consider this to be a cell, and this is the nucleus, and this is the centrosome. Okay, when we see the structure of the centrosome in detail, we can see these are the two centrioles which are arranged perpendicular to each other, and around the centrioles we have the nucleating rings. So the microtubules, they arise from these nucleating rings in the pericentriolar area, and their positive end is always in the cytoplasm of the cell, and the minus end is within the nucleating rings. Okay, what are the functions of the microtubules? Their main function is their involvement in cell division. They are involved in the formation of the mitotic and meiotic spindle apparatus. Okay, and they are involved in the formation of the centrioles and the basal body. Okay, and the microtubules are involved in the maintenance of the cell shape also. Okay, yes. Next element is the intermediate filaments. As the name implies, they are intermediate in size between the microfilaments and the microtubules, that is 8 to 10 nanometer in diameter. They can be described as rope-like structure. Okay, and based on the cell and the tissue in which they are present, the protein will vary. So the first thing that is formed in the formation of the intermediate filament are the tetramers. Okay, 8 such tetramers, they join together and form the protofilaments. Okay, 8 tetramers, they join together and form the protofilaments. 8 of the protofilaments, they form the protofibrils, and 4 protofibrils, they, small p I will put, small p small f, 4 protofibrils, they will together then form the intermediate filaments. Okay, I repeat, first tetramers are formed, 8 tetramers then form the protofilaments, 8 protofilaments form the protofibrils, 4 protofibrils then form the intermediate filaments. 6 types of intermediate filaments are present. What are they? Type 1 is called as acidic, type 2 is the basic or the neutral type. Both of them are present in the epithelial cells. Okay. Type 3 is the vimentin, which is present in the fibroblast and the osteoblast. Next is the desmin, which is present in the muscles. Next is the GFAP, glial fibrillary acidic protein, which is present in the glial cells. And next is the peripherin, which is present in the peripheral neurons. Okay, and then we have the fourth type, which is the neurofilaments. Okay, neurofilaments are again present in the neurons, and then we have the alpha internexin. The alpha internexin is also present in the neurons. Okay, then next type is the type 5. Type 5 is the nuclear lamins. These nuclear lamins, they are present in the nuclear lamina of all the cells. Okay, of all cells. Then we have the type 6, which is the nestin and present in the stem cells of the central nervous system. Okay, I repeat, acidic and basic are present in the epithelial cells, vimentin in the fibroblast and the osteoblast, desmin in the muscles, GFAP in the glial cells, peripherin in the peripheral neurons, neurofilaments neurons, alpha internexin neurons, nuclear lamins in the nuclear lamina of all cells, nestin in the stem cells of CNS. What are the functions of the intermediate filaments? The function is they are the one which hold the nucleus in position. Okay, intermediate filament holds the nucleus in position. Then next function is they form the framework for the cell. Okay, they form the framework for the cell. And their important function is they secure the integral membrane proteins to the cytoskeleton. Intermediate filaments only secure the integral membrane proteins with the cytoskeleton. Okay, to the cytoskeleton. And the other last important function of the intermediate filament is to the extracellular matrix forces the cell reacts through the intermediate filaments. Okay, to the extracellular matrix forces.